Okay, are you ready? Alright.
Tsaka lang.
So yung mga dancing
Bigyan mo lang.
sino? Okay? Ikaw na si Barra at si Justine. Okay.
Meron po.
Oo nga eh. Dalawa lang naman kayo mag-perform si Miguel at saka kami. Taas na kayo yung price out. Kasi ang dami namin, no? Buto magtag pa. O sige na, let's go. So this is our homage. Akyat, friends. Baka tumumagsak, hindi pwede ako sa taas kasi babagsak talaga siya. Yan. Binablocking tayo ni Miss Charo. Mabilisan niyo pag tumutulong na babawasan doon ang price. Okay. Baka maubusan, baka 1,000 na lang. Okay. Sige. So ito ang homage namin kasi minsan diba pag marami tayo work, we call it labada. Okay? So pang maraming labada. So this are labada dash brand dance. Kasi pag maraming labada, sino ang may dala? Brands. And we should that we're happy, we're not bitter. Okay? So, ang dami ka ng intros, pero tayo. DJ! Hindi, kailangan record. Yan. Ay, kuya, sa start po. Kuya, sorry kanina si Miguel po sa Shandol, mo kami. So, okay, put your hands together. In celebration of Christmas! Come on! Are you ready for the Labada dance? Yeah! Iba yung version niya. Teka lang, yung iPad ko lang po gamitin natin. Confuse po yung mga dancers ko. Wait lang. Alawin niyo muna sila, alawin. Asan yung iPad ko? Okay, teka lang. Ibang version. Sorry, baka ikatalo namin eh. Sorry. May halong 90s kasi yan. Pero talaga, sorry guys. Dalawa na lang kami mag-perform, so okay lang magtagal. Yes, ito na talaga. The Labada dance, Labada slash brand dance. Here we go! The Labada dance. Paano ba tayo yung baba yung nagawa? Nag-washing machine. Washing machine move. Here we go. Left. Washing machine to the right.
This is how I roll. Animal print pants out the truck.
But we do it manually. Most of the time. Here we go. Back. After the back. After this. Goodbye. Here we go. Pick up. After Plato, what do you do? So hard. Other side, front. Okay, are you ready for the front dance? Okay, everyone. Other side, continue again. Ano sila dito? Angel!
Yes, sir. Wow.
Mana ka lang ng Angel, haba! Okay! Let's record. Okay! And tonight's idol, the sex bubble, to the right.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Desperado con él. Here we go. Ayaw na namin. Magpalayo niyo na kami. Yeah!
presentation lang.
Lucas here sa kanyang mga galing yung prize natin.
Sabi ko ah. Wala seating style.